We aim to give Kenyans an exemplary East African holiday treat, and we're equally proud to announce to our partners that we will continue to support this event going forward. We're coming on board as the official technology partner, committing 36 million shillings, both in cash and in kind, to provide seamless and speedy 4G network connectivity through the provision of 5 cell on wheels, which we popularly call a cow, not in the literal term, on the ground to support seamless connectivity during the 4-day rally event. As part of this sponsorship, we will provide 5 million in cash, which will go to supporting our Kenyan driver, Hamza Anwar, who will be competing in the WRC Category 3, driving a Rally 3 Ford Fiesta. We hope to see him keep shining in this year's leg of the Safari Rally. Anwar is one of the brightest and talented prospects of the future. He has actively competed in numerous rally events, both local and international, including Kenyan Autocross, WRC Safari Rally, and World Rally Championships in Sweden, Croatia, Estonia, and Greece.
There has been a lot of, shall I call them, some stories about the rally. So let me make things clear about the rally. When I was given this job, I wondered about the time. But then what I did was to cut the elephant into pieces and to ask myself, what does a rally actually constitute? And so we started attacking those bits one by one. So the first big ingredient is, of course, drivers. You need the drivers. You need the drivers to be available. You need the drivers to Kenya. You need the drivers on board, and that is something that we must do better in our country. We need to get more of our local drivers to the KNRC. The second one is the playground. What is the playground? The playground is the stages in which we rally. So Kedong, so Isambu, Hell's Gate, Geothermal, and so on and so forth. Those are the areas where we rally. And we've had to do quite a bit of work in the last 1 month to get those roads into rally condition. And then we have the service park. This is the nerve center of the rally. This is where they control the rally from. Even the Kasarani start here in Nairobi is controlled from rally control at service